everybody, Ronnie here. So I hear that unboxing videos are really popular. Never really got the gist of that, but let's give this a shot. So here we have a box. Oh my god. You can see it's saying that there are definitely batteries in this, so let's go ahead and cover that. And I did take off the label already with my name and address. I have no problem with anybody having my name. I'd rather not get swatted on accident though, so let's go ahead and leave it at that. So we'll open this up, and woohoo, my daughter's favorite. She loves the bubble wraps, so we'll set that over there. Keep that nice and where that's at. Oh yes, Ronnie does watch guitar videos online. All right, here we are. So we have, put that away, a Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. All right, let's go ahead and set this camera up a little bit better so that it can capture this part of the unboxing as soon as we figure out how to open it. All right, so all right, there's that. And there. Always cut away from yourself. And wow, that's a tight lid. All right, set that aside. And here we have that. We will get into that in a moment. S Pen. This is the powered version. Charging brick. Let's see if we can see. I absolutely cannot see. Oh, it looks like it's just a 5-watt. I don't know. We'll see how well it does on charging. Yep, charging cable. SIM tray removal, or in this case, this is not a 5G, it's just Wi-Fi, so this will be for the SD card. And quick reference guide, probably some warranty paperwork in there. But we will put this right back there so we don't lose it. All right. And now, for the moment we've none been waiting for. Alright, so we've got this, they call it Mystic Black. I'd say it looks more like a graphite color. For the record, the S Pen, it does clip right on. It's magnetic, so it clips on here. I understand it's got pretty good cameras on the back. This is the top of the line S7. The S8s are out, okay, but the difference between the S7 Plus and the S8 Plus, or Ultra, or whatever they're calling it, is minuscule. Because it does still have if I can figure out how this goes. I don't know, I'll figure that out. And Super AMOLED display. Let's see if we can turn this on real quick.
A few moments later.
All right, so sorry about that, got a phone call. But here's what I wanted to do. I went ahead and I got this all set up. I put my account information in and everything, connected it to the internet. And I thought, what a cool idea it would be to check and see how fast it is wirelessly. So what I've done is I've set up 3 devices. Okay, this, I have an old iPad and a laptop, an Asus ROG Strix 17-inch. So we're going to go ahead and run a speed test. The fingerprint scanner works pretty good. And let's find an internet. Here's an interwebs. I haven't even put Chrome on this yet, but I'll work on that later. I'm just going to type in speed test, and we're just going to use the built-in speed test with it comes with a Google search. So let's see how we do here. All right, that's actually not too bad. 407.3 download, 21.1 upload. Yeah, I know my upload speed's just atrocious. I can't seem to get any better from, who do I have? Spectrum. All right, so let's go ahead and check out the iPad. These are all connected to the same Wi-Fi source. And keep in mind, this is I don't know what, 10th gen iPad, I don't know, but it's a few years old. 203.4 download and only 15 upload. And so finally, here we are with the ROG, and run that.
Daddy, what's that other one?
Wow, this is really not looking good. All right, so we'll test each of them again one more time just to be on the safe side. So we'll come here, test again. $432.8. So we'll hit test again here. And of course you get to see my reflection. Isn't that awesome? $197 even. And finally, the ROG. This I'm really shocked at. This should be much higher. Maybe I don't have this connected to the same channel. I'll double check that real quick. Double check both of them. That is troubling. So let's go ahead and whoops, turn it on. Here we go. Let's connect to the 5G. All right. Now let's go ahead and test that. This is still way, way low. $229.7. All right. Let's let's find our settings. I use this computer, this tablet so much. Yeah, it's connected to the 5G. So let's go back in here, do the test one more time. $237 even. All right. Just to humor myself, this is a wired internet connection. Let's speed test here. $560.9. So, all right. Well, that was an interesting thing. I'm really impressed with the Wi-Fi capabilities of this Samsung Galaxy S7 Plus. It's really impressive. I really was not expecting that. It's not as good as the wired connection on my Ryzen 7, but you wouldn't expect it to be anyway. The thing that was really shocking was I have an Asus ROG Strix with a Ryzen 9, the best Ryzen processor available here. It's 16 cores, 32 threads. That laptop is a monster, and it was. I mean, we got it right here still. 229.7 download speed. It just couldn't keep up. So, what next? Hey, I know. We can check video quality. All right, one more test. We're going to look at video quality. So, there's the Samsung Tab S7 Plus. It's got an AMOLED, Super AMOLED screen, and this is video from my channel that is running at 4K. That looks pretty good. So yes, I do have 4K video on my channel. That's pretty awesome. Here is the same video on the iPad. This is running at 720p, so it's HD but not full HD. And you can tell how the picture's not as sharp and it's not as bright. Okay, if you look over here, just look at how full that picture is, how bright it is. And this has a Retina display on it. And then once again over here with the ROG, once again this is running 4K and it's doing just fine. Okay, as you would expect there. I don't know why this didn't pull as well from the on the internet speed test, but of course, you know, even at 250 megabits per second, pulling down 4K video shouldn't be an issue. But I just thought this was all interesting. Yeah, I am digging this new the new tablet. I will definitely get some use out of it. So thanks for watching this. I've got some other interesting things coming up that I think that you'll like. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will talk to you next time.